What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. On this video we're gonna air in these tires. We're gonna see if these cracks right here, these bends from massive potholes, affect the tire quality. Are they still gonna be able to hold tire pressure? So that's gonna be it on this video. But first I decided we're gonna wash these things because they're just looking filthy right now, and I'm sure they don't appeal to you guys as the viewers. Alright guys, as you can see there's a huge indent right here from where the curb was and how much it bent the wheel. I'm just curious at this point if this is going to even hold tire pressure. So let's put some air in them and let's go from there. See if they're even going to hold air. The good thing is, don't worry, this is not leaking. What's leaking is the air hose right now. But let's get them up to like about 40 pounds. Alright, 40 pounds. And you guys can hear air escaping. It is actually escaping on the inside right here. Which is crazy because the front end damage looks a lot worse. But it is holding on the front end. It is slowing down as there becomes less pressure in the tires. But this is the smaller bend, so maybe in the future these can get bent back. It might hold the air right here. Let's check out the other tire. I guess let's finish putting air in here, but this tire doesn't look good at all. There is air leaking, but just look at that tire though. Look at the deformity right over here. It's like a big, one whole big piece, one big bubble right here. So this is already a weak point. This tire has structural damage in it. Not good whatsoever. I thought maybe we could use these tires, but seeing how the tire's bulging out right here, and again, it's not holding air, it's leaking air from the inside, just tells us this is going to be no good. Again, I'm just so surprised it's not leaking from the front rims, only from the back. Kind of looks like it's about to rip apart and blow up right in my face. Let me see if this tire was defective here too. No, this tire looks like it kept its rigidity and structure. But yeah guys, well there you have it. You run over a curb, you're not gonna hold tire pressure, and then you're gonna damage your tires, you're gonna damage your rims. And if you have an expensive wheel setup, it's gonna cost you a lot of money. Luckily, these were free, and I'm just showing you guys around for content purposes. But if you have forged wheels and this happens to you, my man, you're gonna feel a lot lighter because your wallet is gonna be a lot skinnier. Anyway guys, hope you enjoyed this little video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more content such as this, and we'll see you on the next video. Peace.
I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see us